welcome to the channel. And here we are, if you all remember our A1 Day Ones, where we were at Amigos restaurant. So what a fitting way to say goodbye, but to have a quick lunch and a couple adult beverages at Amigos restaurant in Santiago. And I will tell you this, nothing beats the weather out here in the Dominican Republic when even on a cloudy, well, semi-cloudy day, you're still enjoying that breeze and those 82-degree weathers. And as we see with all the traffic going by us while we're enjoying lunch, life doesn't stop. It's business as usual, and everyone is prospering. Wow, being safe and watching those masks. And even Eric here saying hello to the Cribini family, enjoying his lunch. So as our time comes to an end here in Santiago, remember that even though we're not here, we're still going to strive to bring all of the up-to-date information for all of you tried and trues that are thinking about living outside the box and choosing the Dominican Republic as your destination, your place to live well. Although we wish we could cover every place that we've been and say goodbye, we can't, but we will be bringing you some new places, some new sites. And remember, DR is first in our hearts. So we hope you enjoyed this short little video of Amigos restaurant, a little bit of Santiago, and a little short goodbye. So as always, thank you, and we'll see you on the next video. Make sure to hit that subscribe, hit notifications, always give this and all videos a thumbs up. It's the free and easy way to patron the channel. And remember that all information is always underneath the channel. If you're thinking about that one-on-one consult because you're going to either vacation and or relocate in the Dominican Republic. And remember, we always strive to bring consistent, accurate information. See you on the next video.